friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So in this video we are going to see how balance sheet will work in Jainam Software. So just have a look. So from the business summary I will go to the dashboard, and if you check, the cash is 0 and bank also 0. And if I go to the balance sheet and I will just refresh from here, so you can see all the transaction is 0. Now let's search one customer from the search bar. So this customer I have created. Let's create deposit for this customer. So recurring deposit I will take, let's say, for 500. Yearly rate of interest 9% for 12 months. So I will just calculate from here, and now interest is 288 we need to pay. So I will select one date for the loan, for the deposit. So I will take 1st of August and I will just save from here. Now just search this D-1 deposit. So this deposit is created from 1st August to 1st August 2021. Now you can see 2000 is the due. So if you check to the status report, due list, in payable, just refresh from here. So you can see 500 is the installment, but the amount payable is not showing here. So just search D-1 from the search bar, and so 2000 is the due amount. So for example, let's say customer is paying 5000, some amounts in advance, so I will just receive from here. So I have received 5000. Now I will go to the status report due list and I will check the payable. So here you can see that 5000 is the amount that is the payable, and this is the interest part 203. So total amount payable is 5203. So if I go to the business summary dashboard, let's see. So you can see 5000 is the credited to the finances account. So 5000 cash we have received. And if I go to the balance sheet and just check, so here you can see net cash is 5000 and principal payable is 5000. So deposit payable is 5203 with interest. So projected income is 203. So if I go to the customer, let's search this customer from the search bar, and for example, for this customer I want to give loan. So I will click to the loan, and for example, let's say 1000 for rate of interest 2% monthly, and here let's say for 3 months. So I will just calculate from here, and I will just save this loan from here. So loan number 1 is saved. Now if I go to the status report due list and I will just refresh from here, so you can see that loan installment is 353. And if I check payable, so payable is 5203. And let's go and search the business summary dashboard, check the dashboard. So you can see 1000 is deducted from the loan account, and go to the balance sheet and I will just refresh from here. So you can see that 5000 is the payable, interest principal payable. So principal receivable is 1000, and this interest receivable 60 minus interest payable 203. So projected income is 143. So this type 5016, 5060, the balance sheet is matching.